Today you will learn how to create this page curl effect in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Open image in a new file that you will use on the top. For curl effect, copy this image by dragging to plus sign or press Ctrl plus J. Now, open rectangular marquee tool. Make a square at the bottom right. Open gradient tool and select basic black and white pattern. Activate linear pattern. Now drag cursor from bottom right corner. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Press Ctrl plus T, right-click and select warp. Drag from bottom to make curling effect. Now, double-click on this layer or right-click. Go to Blending Options. Add shadow to this layer. Follow these settings. Blend mode is multiply, color is black, opacity 80%, angle is 125, and click OK. Place other image that you want below this layer. Next, make some adjustments. Add brightness. Then add levels. And you are done. If you like this easy method for page curl effect, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.